Wind 260 degrees, 24 knots. Gusting 34 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud 2 at 2,000 feet. Ceiling broken at 4,500 feet. Forecast maximum temperature is on the 6-2 at 1500 Zulu. Forecast minimum temperature 5 on the 6-2 at 0600 Zulu. Becoming between 0800 and 1100. Wind 270 degrees. Glasgow forecast. Glasgow valid from the 16th at 0000 until the 16th at 2400. Wind variable 4 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud 2 at 4,000 feet. Probability 30% from 0200 until 0800. Visibility 5 kilometers. Mist, shallow fog. Becoming between 0800 and 1100. Winds 280 degrees, 10 knots. Net report. London Heathrow, net report. London Heathrow at 2320 Zulu.